Crude oil washing. Washing pattern.
Implementation of COW is planned according to the progress of discharging cargo work. Washing pattern of COW is generally as follows. 1. Full COW. This is performed after the tank becomes empty. The tank is washed from top angle of the machine to the bottom. 2. Top COW. This is performed during cargo discharge from the tank. Washing will start from top angle of the machine and is stopped at a specific angle in order not to hit the oil surface in the tank. Washing oil must be same grade as the oil in the tank. Therefore, a part of the discharging oil is used for the wash pattern. 3. Bottom COW. This is also performed after the tank becomes empty. The angle of the machine starts from the subsequent angle of top wash. Tank stripping during COW must be ensured by the eductor in order to remove residue from the tank. Necessary ship's trim and list must be maintained for effective stripping.